believe that we need to be somebody else to feel alive. Why do we keep making the same mistakes and believing that it won't make a difference if we try to break away? I know what you must be thinking, that we are powerless to change things, but don't give up, 'cause we got love, 'cause we got love. I won't throw my hands up to surrender, 'cause love is stronger than fire. So don't give up, 'cause we got love, 'cause we got love. Time, don't you think it's just a waste of time when we're always fighting over material or trivial things in this life? Yeah, I don't understand why we don't get it right. Why do we keep going round and round at the end of the day? We've only got ourselves to blame. Now, I know what you must be thinking, that we are powerless to change things, but don't give up, 'cause we got love, 'cause we got love. Yeah, I won't throw my hands up to surrender, 'cause love is stronger than fire. So don't give up, 'cause we got love, 'cause we got love. We got love, 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 we got love. I know what you must be thinking, that we are powerless to change things, but don't give up, 'cause we got love, 'cause we got love. I won't throw my hands up to surrender, 'cause love is stronger than fire. So don't give up, 'cause we got love, 'cause we got love, 'cause we got love.
Good evening, Melbourne, and good morning, Europe. Welcome back to the results show of the Eurovision Melbourne Stay Safe video contest, I'm calling it.
What a wonderful contest it has been, with fantastic entrants. Here's a recap of our wonderful contestants.
I'm not your toy, not your toy.
ran away. I'm gonna find you anyhow. Yeah. What you waiting, what you waiting, what you waiting for? Marry me, I'll be a queen bee. I'll love you endlessly. I'll do it for you, yeah, for you, yeah, for you. All you have to do is to be ready for some action now. All you have to do is to be ready for some action now.
Won't keep you waiting any longer. The results are in, and it is a close one.
But before we start, we need to speak to one special person.
Would like to introduce to you
A very special someone.
The Mr. Miyagi of Eurovision.
The most powerful man in the room.
The coolest guy in the room.
I would call him the Yoda in our galaxy of musical stars.
The Almighty God.
This will be exciting.
Mr. Jon Ola Sand.
Mr. Jon Ola Sand.
Mr. Jon Ola Sand.
Jon Ola Sand!
Thank you for your humble introduction.
Have all the votes been added up?
Yes, the votes have been added up. Selfie.
Take it away. Take it away.
Take it away. Take it away. Take it away. Take it away. Take it away. Take it away.
Thank you, Mr. Jon Olasand. The votes have been tabulated and the remaining countries have been placed in their positions, and the top 5 are ready to announce.
In 5th place, with 411 points, Israel! In 4th place, with 498 points, the United Kingdom! In 3rd place, with 500 points, Finland!
Ooh, that was a close one, Bungirl. It's now time to announce the winner of Eurovision 2020. The top 2 scores are...
2nd place, 626 points, and 1st place, 671 points. And the winner is... The winner of the 2020 Eurovision Song Contest Melbourne edition is Russia! Congratulations to all the contestants.
Thank you for watching the Eurovision Melbourne Song/Video Contest 2020.
We are your hosts, Esther and Bungirl. Thank you and good night.
It's gonna take more than one margarita.
I'm gonna call you my sweet señorita.
I'm gonna leave up the night only with ya.
All you have to do is to be ready for some action now. To be ready for some action now.
Congratulations!
And commiserations. Is that your reason?
Yeah.
Why don't you just breathe and I'll know.
Good evening, Melbourne! And...
Come on.
and we will see you in the results show.
Tore a groin muscle.
You just ruined my ending!
It's funny, do it again. That would be a good one. Welcome to the Eurovision Song Contest, Melbourne. Stay safe. What? It's too much. Welcome to the Eurovision Song Contest, Stay Safe Melbourne edition. That's a lot.
Congratulations, Russia, on winning tonight. Because they're probably going to win.
Yeah, maybe.
As you all know, due to COVID-19...
COVID-19. COVID.
What did I say?
You keep saying covert.
COVID.
COVID-19.
Let me have a little one. As you all know, due to... the Eurovision... in this love. As you all know, due to COVID-19,
No!
we'd like to thank all the contestants for performing tonight.
You can't just stop and expect me to know what you want me to say. Tell me what you want me to say. You fucking dick. that wasn't even a full-ended sentence. Performing tonight. I mean, what did you want me to
continue?
COVID.
I still said it!
No, you said COVID-19.
COVID.
Okay.
In 2000
Wait, make sure I stop speaking before you start, honey. Sorry.
A big fat piece
do the words, because it's cute.
Shit.
Don't move too far sideways. Okay, now we need to do the results show, honey. Where are you going?
Oh.
Where the fuck are you going?
Okay.
Oh, we'll stop and start it.
Yeah, stop and start it. Fuck face. Yeah.
Hi, Puppy.
Congratulations.
Wait until I look at it.
3, 2, 1.
And then you say, well, I wanted to say, so the next time someone asks you, no, let me finish. Why is Australia in Eurovision? Oh, I keep getting a pang here. Like a little twinge. What is it?
It's me.
What do you mean?
As you all know, due to COVID-19...
That's perfect! And that's it. That's the end of the segment.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
I like that.